What if the most advanced prosthetic isn't just a replacement, but actually an upgrade? Imagine having an arm that's faster, stronger, and even sharper than your natural one. Would you choose to use it? Neuro-linked prosthetics are becoming incredibly advanced. These special devices can connect directly to your brain, so you can move them just by thinking, almost like your natural arm or leg. For many people, these devices feel as if they become a real part of them. But what happens when these prosthetics can do even more than a regular human body part? This is where the debate begins. Should technology be used only to help people regain what they've lost, or should it be allowed to enhance our abilities beyond what is naturally possible? If someone gets a prosthetic that's stronger or faster, is it fair if they now have an advantage in sports, at work, or in everyday life? Then, there's the question of identity. What if your arm also has a computer with artificial intelligence built in, helping you move smoothly or making your actions super precise? If the device gets a software update, changes the way it works, or even has a glitch, who is really in control, you or the machine? And when it does something amazing, is it your success or the machine's? We also need to think about fairness. If the best prosthetics cost a lot of money, what happens to people who can't afford them? Would only the rich be able to become better than human and get all the extra chances that enhance their lives? So, where would you draw the line? Should we use technology only to restore what's been lost, or should we allow upgrades that make us better? That's something to think about and discuss with others. Where do you stand on this exciting and challenging question?